Good morning, children. Today we will start non-finite verbs, and chapter number 19 we will start with infinitive. First of all, open your book, page number 97. Previously, in standard 7 also, you have studied about infinitives. So here, read. So first of all, we will read the sentence. They always flatter her. They always try to flatter her. In sentence 1, the verb flatter has they for its subject. Hence, the verb flatter is limited by person and number. It is therefore a finite verb. Now see, they always flatter her. Here, they flatter. They is plural, so it will carry plural verb. So, flatter is also plural. It agrees with the subject they. If I use instead of they, if I use he always flatter becomes flatters her. So flatter is finite verb because it agrees with they. If there is he, flatter becomes flatters. So there is a change. Now you see, second one you see, they always try to flatter her. Now they की जगह he लगाओ. He always tries टू फ्लैटर कोई चेंज नहीं है. ट्राई चेंज हो रहा है, ट्राइज हो जा रहा है, लेकिन देर इज नो चेंज इन टू फ्लैटर हैज नो चेंज. So here it is called non-finite verb. It does not agree with the subject, noun or pronoun. So non-finite verb's definition is that non-finite verb does not agree with any subject, and it also does not show any tense. So now we hope you have understood the difference between finite and infinite verb. So second we will also read in sentence 2, to flatter merely names the action denoted by the verb flatter and is used without any subject. It is therefore not limited by person and number. As a verb that has a subject, it is therefore called infinitive. So use of to makes it infinitive. In infinite verb, it is an infinite verb, but as to is used before a verb, so it becomes infinitive. Now it is name of an activity. To flatter is name of an activity. And first, you see, flatter is not name, it is the activity is going on, that activity. Now, use of infinitive. Infinitive is used like a noun. When infinitive comes in the beginning as in the place of subject, it is used as a noun. See, generally, one example I'll give you. In he is a good boy. Here, subject is he. Ram is a good boy. Subject is Ram because we are talking about he and Ram. Now, here, what is he and what is Ram? Both are, one is pronoun, another is noun. So we see that in case of subject, we can have only noun or pronoun. Object also object में noun और pronoun ही आएगा. Subject में भी noun या pronoun आएगा. If in case verb आ रहा है subject में, then we make that verb as a noun or pronoun. उसको हमें noun बनाना है. You have to make that verb as noun. जैसे पढ़ना एक अच्छी आदत है. Now, read is a good habit. We cannot tell read is a good habit. We have to say reading is a good habit or to read is a good habit. To read is a good habit. See, by using to, we have made that verb a noun because in subject we have to give a noun. So How we will give a noun? We will change that subject by using to or using ing. We will make it a noun. So here first one, as the subject of a verb, to err is human. Now we are talking about doing some mistake. To err is the name of a quality that is human. Now to find fault is easy. What is easy? To find fault. To find fault. Now to steal is wrong. See here, to steal, to find, to err. These all are now subject. Find, steal ये सब verb है, लेकिन उसको subject कैसे बनाया गया है? By उसको noun किया गया है. How we are making noun? By adding to. Now as the object of transitive verb. Now infinitive is also comes as an object. Now अब ऑब्जेक्ट के जगह में क्या आता है? हम जानते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट जगह ऑलवेज a verb. Sorry, always a noun. Now here we are putting verb. Now we will change this verb as noun by using to or ing. She likes to play cards. She likes what? To play cards. Likes का ऑब्जेक्ट है. Now first one देखो, is का सब्जेक्ट है, to find fault. Now वैसे ही second one, Peter wants what? To swim. He wishes what? To succeed. So object means it is object of the verb. Transitive verb. Verb कौन सा है? Wishes, wants, likes. You know how to find object by asking question what? Transitive verb. Third one, as the complement of a verb. Her greatest pleasure is to dance. What is complement? Complement means it gives a complete sense to a verb or to some noun. Anything. It gives a complete sense or gives added meaning to some idea. Complement, इसलिए उसका नाम ऐसा है. So her greatest pleasure is to dance. Now, is का complement है to dance. Because you know, incomplete predication ही complement carry करता है. Verb of incomplete predication, I have already said you. What are they? Is, become, look. She looks sad. Here, look is incomplete predication. So for that you can study again incomplete predication. So complement is like that. Complement gives a complete meaning to this verb is, because is incomplete predication. Verb of incomplete predication does not have a complete sense. Is बोलने से क्या करोगे? अगर if I say play, you will play. If I say is has no complete meaning. So is के बाद जो आ रहा है that is not object. Incomplete predication है वो, because it does not have a complete meaning. So after is जो भी आएगा, that is not object, that is complement. His ambition is what? To act in films. Now what का आंसर है? To act, but it is not object, it is complement, because it gives sense to incomplete predication is. Her desire is what? Is को sense दे रहा है, to marry you. As the now fourth one, as the object of a preposition. Now he had no choice but to resign. Now here but means except. Except एक preposition है. Don't go that it is a coordinate conjunction. Here but is used in the meaning of except. Except एक preposition है. It comes after the preposition. Except what? What का आंसर है? Except के बाद preposition के बाद what बोलो? Answer is coming to resign. So it is object of preposition, not verb. It is object of preposition, because preposition के बाद हम to what ask कर रहे हैं. He had no choice but what? To resign. The show is about what? To start. So object of the preposition about. Now as an objective complement, we saw her leave the hall. You see, we saw her to leave the hall. We expected her to succeed. It is complement itself because it gives meaning to her. Leave the hall gives meaning to her. We saw her. Her क्या? We saw her what? Extra meaning दे रहा है. We saw her leaving the hall. We saw her is complete. लेकिन if I give more, if I tell something more about her, that is compliment. And as it comes after her, it is objective compliment. Saw के बाद आ रहा है और it gives sense to her. Her is the object of saw. We saw what? Her is the object. The object को जो सेंस दे रहा है that is objective compliment. अगर ये मीनिंग वी को देता तो सब्जेक्टिव कम्प्लीमेंट होता, बट इट इज गिविंग मीनिंग टू हर. वी सॉ हर लीव द हॉल, टेलिंग अबाउट हर के लिए बोल रहा है. वी एक्सपेक्टेड हर, व्हाट, हर को ऐड कर रहा है, हर के लिए मीनिंग ऐड कर रहा है, हर टू सक्सीड. सो इट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव कम्प्लीमेंट, नॉट सब्जेक्टिव कम्प्लीमेंट. Sixth number, to qualify a verb, usually to express purpose. Now I come to bury Caesar. Now it is qualifying a verb. I come to bury. What is the purpose of coming? To bury. We eat. What is the eating purpose? To live. He called for what? To see. So giving meaning to verbs. Now to qualify an adjective. Infinitive also qualifies an adjective. Apples are good to eat. Good adjective है. Good qualify कर रहा है. To eat. This medicine is bitter. Bitter. To take. Bitter को qualify कर रहा है. To take. The boys are keen. Keen for what? What? To learn. Keen को qualify कर रहा है. किस चीज के लिए keen है? Learning के लिए. She is too ill to do. Ill means for what she is ill? To do any work. She is so ill that she cannot do any work. So to do qualifies ill, which is an adjective. Keen. So to learn qualifies keen, which is an adjective. To take qualifies bitter, which is an adjective. To eat qualifies good, which is an adjective. To qualify a noun. Now, here is a house, telling about house. To let. This is not the time to play. Time को qualify कर रहा है. You will have cause to repent. What cause? To repent. He is a man to be honored. Man को qualify कर रहा है. Here is a book to read. Book को qualify कर रहा है. Now to qualify a sentence. To tell the truth, the whole family was terrified. She was stunned, so to speak. Now it is qualifying the whole sentence. To tell the truth. Here, the whole family was terrified to tell the truth. Now, she was stunned, so to speak. She was, so to speak. Here, it qualifies the whole sentence. So to speak qualifies the whole sentence. She was stunned. Now, infinitive is mostly preceded by to. Following verbs take an infinitive without to. See here. Left hand side also you see and right hand side also you see. They felt the doors. See all the this italicized words. They felt. Felt does not carry infinitive. Shake. To they felt the doors. To shake नहीं होगा. Felt है means only shake. Here also. Have is there, only misbehave. Heard is there, only close. Let's is there, only eat. So similarly, same thing. Watched, only take off. To take off नहीं होगा. Like that. Now another one. Infinitive without to. See, you have to remember these things. Had better, had rather, had sooner, would rather, sooner than, had rather than. These all um, don't carry any infinitive, means any to, but they are bare infinitive, but actually to is hidden. To before the infinitive is omitted after than and after but in the sense of expect. Now expect is there, meaning expect is there, but is used. We have seen in the previous example number 4 as an object of the preposition but, except to resign. To before the infinitive is omitted, after than, and after but in the sense of expect. She is able to sing than dance. She did no more than weep. She did nothing but laugh and sing. Here to resign is given, but actually it is he had no choice but resign. Okay. So these don't carry to infinitive. So now I hope you have understood. Now 5 questions, somewhere 10 questions I will do, and rest you are going to do it. Now complete the following sentences. Exercise number 50. Complete the following sentences by adding an infinitive to each. The tree was easy to cut. Peter hopes to succeed. Maria had better a. Now see you have number 3. This I will keep for you. You do it and tell me the answer. What will be? It is little bit tricky. You have to do it. Maria had better a dash. You can. It is not necessary that after a immediately you will add two. You can add some word, and after that also you can add two. A friend dash. A friend offered dash. A friend offered me to join the party. She returned home. Um, we have to add here. Complete this by adding an infinitive to each. You have to. Huh. She returned home. What can it be? She returned home. So these things you think and write. Okay. If any mistake, I'll tell you. Now I have to think. I did not decide any answer. This one. I will take time. You will do it. Then how to convey with you, I don't know. But or we can write like this: she returned home to teach the children. This you can write. Two we have to use. This coffee is too hot to drink. Now 7, 8, 9, 10. That you will do of your own. 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now exercise number 51. Using given words and phrases, make correct sentences. This I think you can do of your own. Exercise 51. Do it. Now exercise 52. Read these sentences inserting to where necessary before the infinitives in brackets. We don't want her know our address. We don't want her to know our address. Now this also you will think and do. Wherever you have to use bare infinitives, that already here it is in page number 99. You will just check it that these words don't carry infinitive, so you will do it. Then you complete it. Exercise 52, you will do it. Or I will tell number 2. The thief made the woman to show him. The thief made the woman show him how to open the safe. Let will not carry go. 2. We let her go early as she wanted to meet her husband. So here we will give only go. Fourth one. I hear thee speak a better land. Speak of a better land. I hear thee. Here also, I think it will not carry any to. We would rather die than suffer. So, She need not answer all these questions. So up till 6 I have said you. 7 to 15 you will do it. Now, when the subject of a verb be is an infinitive phrase, the construction with introductory it is often preferred. Now see, to steal is wrong. So we will use it and write. It is wrong to steal. Like this, we will do now exercise 53. To cheat is wrong. It is wrong to cheat others. To climb Everest is very difficult. It is very difficult to climb Everest. To miss this opportunity would be a pity. It would be a pity to miss this opportunity. Not to go to the party now would be impolite. It would be impolite to not to it would be impolite not to go to the party now. To betray your best friend is disgraceful. It is disgraceful to betray your best friend. Rest 6 to 10 you will do it. Now, rewrite the following sentences using introductory it and an of adjunct. Now you see here, before this exercise 54, you read the paragraph. We sometimes also have following pattern using adjective and also noun. It is or it was adjective plus of plus noun or pronoun denoting the person or persons plus infinitive construction. It was very kind of your uncle to give us a lift in his car. It was foolish of her to reject the offer. Like this, we will do here. He would be stupid to refuse the offer. So, it was stupid of her to refuse the offer. Or it would be stupid of her. It would be stupid of her to refuse the offer. Would be, because it would be is there. It would be stupid of her to refuse the offer. Raman was mean to refuse to give alms to the beggar. It was mean of Raman to refuse. It was mean of Raman to refuse to give alms to the beggar. The policeman was kind to help the old woman across the road. It was kind of the policeman to help the old woman across the road. Our hostess was very thoughtful to provide us with a substantial breakfast before we left. It was kind of our it was thoughtful of our hostess. It was very thoughtful of our hostess to provide us with a substantial breakfast before we left. That girl is very selfish to take all the sweets and leave none for her brothers. It was very selfish of that girl to take all the sweets and leave none for her brothers. This one is over. Now, exercise. Now, this one adjectives such as easy, hard, difficult, good, and comfortable are followed by an active, not passive infinitive. Like apples are good to eat. Apples are good to eat, not to be eaten. Good. When it is good, we will use to eat, not to be eaten. This lesson is hard to learn, not to be learned. In the examples, to eat and to learn both are active infinitive. The following table will give you other examples. This fruit is bad to eat. This word is hard to pronounce. English is easy to learn. So these words you remember. Complete the following sentences by adding suitable infinitives. Her story was interesting to listen. These cherries are not good to eat. This room is not comfortable to live. The chair was not very comfortable to sit. This powder is soothing to apply. This woolen coat is warm to wear. This passage is difficult to understand. We found her story hard to understand. That parcel was heavy to carry. Heavy was heavy to be carried. That parcel was heavy to be carried. The consequences or result of declaration of war are horrible to think. Here are two ways of saying the same thing. He is so weak that he cannot run fast. He is too weak to run fast. See, when we use so, we use that. When we use to, we use to. Don't use so and that. Sorry, to or to. Don't use to with that. Now, exercise 56. Now change these sentences using to. The news is so good that it cannot be true. The news is too good to be true. These mangoes are so cheap that they cannot be good. These mangoes are too cheap to be good. We were so excited that we could not think. We were too excited to think. He is so honest that he will not accept a bribe. He is too honest to accept a bribe. We were so tired that we could not walk any further. We were too tired to walk any further. This table is so heavy that I cannot lift it. This table is too heavy to lift. Up till number 6 I have said, 7, 8, 9, 10 you will do. Now, it is possible to express a clause more concisely by using an infinitive. Like, I was glad when I heard of your success. I was glad to hear of your success. So, like this, you will do here. You write the following sentences using infinitive in place of the verb printed in italics. They say that she is very rich. They say she's, she is said to be very rich. We were surprised when we heard the news. We were surprised to hear the news. It was believed that he was innocent. He, he was believed to be innocent. The general ordered that the town should be burnt. The general ordered to burn the town. The captain was the last man who left the sinking ship. The captain was the last man to leave the sinking ship. She was delighted when she learned of her husband's promotion. She was delighted to learn of her husband's promotion. Our players did not expect that they would win the match. Our players did not expect to win the match. She promised that she would help us whatever happened. She promised to help us whatever happened. He studied hard that he might win a scholarship. He studied hard to win a scholarship. It is said that he is a great scholar. He is said to be a great scholar. Now, next, it is possible to combine two separate sentences into one using to or enough followed by an infinitive. She can drive fast. She can reach the station in time. She can drive fast enough to reach the station in time. So, to is used in negative sense and enough is used in positive sense. Leela's suitcase was very heavy. She could not carry it. Leela's suitcase was too heavy for her to carry. Now just see, too is used in negative sense and enough is used in positive sense. So combine second now exercise 58. Combine each of the following pairs of sentences into one sentence using to or enough followed by an infinitive. He is very tall. He can touch the ceiling. He is tall enough to touch the ceiling. The questions were easy. Everybody could answer them. The questions were easy enough to be answered by everybody. This novel is short. It can be read in a few hours. This novel is too short to be read in a few hours. The policeman could not run very fast. He was not able to catch the thief. The policeman the policeman could not run very fast. He was not able to catch the thief. The policeman was not too fast to catch the thief. Helen is very pretty. She could win a beauty contest. Helen is pretty enough to win a beauty contest. Jack didn't finish his assignments. He didn't have time. Jack was too busy to finish his assignment. She was very poor. She could not buy the books she needed. She was too poor to buy the books she needed. This problem is very difficult. I can't solve it. This problem is too difficult for me to solve. The weather was too rough for us to go out. The weather was too rough for us to go out. The dictionary I have dictated write neatly in your copy. Giving don't end up writing the questions, write only answers and the rest questions which I have not dictated. If you know, you can write it, and if it is wrong, I'll tell you the correct answer. So which you know, you do it, which you don't know, you leave it. And after completing this, we will discuss the next chapter, participles. So whatever I have dictated, it is compulsory to write, and whatever I have not dictated, that also you will write of your own. But like I have dictated 5 questions, these 5 questions this much is enough. Thank you.